welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to switch back to a personal account on Instagram. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, you need to simply launch your Instagram app. So once you launch your Instagram app, you can simply go in your profile, and once you're in your profile, tap on the three lines on the top right hand side of the corner. After doing this, you can simply scroll down below and go to your business tools and control section under for professionals. So once you tap on it, you can simply scroll down below and find the option called switch account type. So now once you have tapped on it, you can simply tap on switch to personal account. After tapping on switch to personal account, you need to confirm your choice and you will now be back on a personal account with access to all the features and privacy settings associated with it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.